Hello students, welcome to Standard 8. Today we are going to see cell and cell organelles. In this chapter, we have to see now components of a cell. First is cell wall. Cell wall, it is found in around cells of algae, fungi and plants. Animals cell lack cell wall. Cell wall is an elastic and strong coat around cell membrane. It is mainly composed of carbohydrate like cellulose and pectin. Afterwards, polymers like lignin, suberin, cutin are added in cell wall as per need. Functions of cell wall are to support and to protect the cell by preventing entry of excess water in the cell. Now we are going to see plasma membrane, that is the cell membrane. It is thin, fragile and elastic covering that separates the cell components from outer environment. Structure of plasma membrane. Protein molecules are embedded in two layers of phospholipids. Plasma membrane is said to be a selectively permeable membrane as it allows some substances to enter the cell while prevents other substances. Due to this property, useful molecules of water, salt and oxygen enter the cell and CO2 exits the cell. If any change occurs outside the cell, the cellular environment does not change due to plasma membrane. This condition is called homeostasis. How do substances travel in the cell? Substances travel inside the cell by different processes such as diffusion and osmosis. Activities that consume cellular energy. First is endocytosis, the entry of some substances into the cell from outer environment is endocytosis. Again I repeat, what is endocytosis? The entry of some substances into the cell from outer environment is endocytosis. Now what is exocytosis? The removal or exit of some substances from inside the cell to the outer environment is called exocytosis. Exocytosis means to excrete waste materials out of cell. Processes those that don't consume cellular energy. First is diffusion, entry or exit of small molecules like O2 and CO2. What is diffusion? The movement of molecules from region of high concentration to the region of low concentration is called diffusion. That is, liquid molecules or gaseous molecules like O2, CO2 show diffusion. Osmosis, the traveling of water from a part with more water to a part with less water through a selectively permeable membrane is osmosis. It is a physical process with three possibilities. The movement of solute or solvent molecules that takes place through the semi-permeable membrane is called osmosis. The solute molecules always move from region of low concentration to region of high concentration. The solvent molecules move from region of their high concentration to region of their low concentration.